We'll guide you through how to install Pygame. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Now, before installing Pygame, let's quickly understand what Pygame is. Pygame is a Python module that helps you create games. This gives you tools to work with graphics, sounds, and user input, making it a great starting point for beginners who want to get into game development. To install Pygame, the most important thing that you need is a pip, which is Python's package installer. Pip allows you to download and install libraries like Pygame directly through the internet. First, let's make sure Python is installed correctly. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for Python. From here, just click on Downloads and hover about the latest version and just click on it. And after the exe installer is downloaded, just click on it to run the installer. And just toggle on Add Python exe to path and toggle on Use admin privileges. And just click on Custom Installation. And from here, this is an important step. Make sure PIP is selected and continue with installation. And after the setup was successful, just click on Close. Now, let's make sure Python is installed correctly. Just open your command prompt and type Python space _ and version and hit enter. If you see a version number, Python is installed correctly. Now let's confirm that pip is installed. Now just type pip space _ and type version and hit enter. If you see a version number, that means pip is working correctly and you are ready to install packages. Now let's install Pygame. The most common command is pip space install and Pygame and hit enter. Pip will now download and install Pygame automatically. If this command does not work for your system, don't worry, there are several alternatives. You can also type pip3 space install and Pygame and hit enter. Sometimes if you are using the newest version, you will see this kind of errors. Don't worry, it's not your fault, as the pip is not configured with the latest version of the Python, so it might occur sometime. So you can just type this exact command and hit enter. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded Pygame. Once the installation is complete, you might want to check what packages are installed on your system. You can do that by typing pip and space list and hit enter. And you will see the version, or you can just type Python space -m space pip space list and hit enter. And this will also show your version. This will show you a list of all the installed Python packages, including Pygame, if it was installed successfully. And that's it. You have now Pygame installed and ready to use for building your own Python games. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.